Hello friends, it's a case of cervical fibroid. Actually, cervical fibroid. What you have seen just now is the mass which is projecting on the posterior side. Now you can see the uterus. So this is the UV fold. You can see the mass over the UV fold pushing the bladder above. So now I am planning to cut the UV fold so that I have to push the bladder down so that I can see the mass. See, I'm just cutting the UV fold. You can see the mass inside the UV fold. Previously, we thought that it was a subserosal fibroid arising from the lower third of the uterus, but when we went inside, it was actually a cervical fibroid arising from the anterior part of the cervix. I'm just slowly cutting the UV fold with the harmonic. Now we can see the mass inside. Here you have to be very careful with the bladder. You have to separate the bladder, push it down. In case of posterior cervical fibroid, you have to be very careful with the ureter also. Better to lateralize it completely and then go ahead with the myomectomy. Yes, and now I am cutting the capsule with monopolar. So you can see the fibroid which is sitting out. I am holding the fibroid in my muscle, the central trocar. Now the fibroid will get slowly coming out of the capsule. Be careful with cervical fibroid, it can sometimes bleed, so bleeding will be more severe than the usual fibroid. Slowly we push into my muscle. Yes, now we take the whole fibroid. It's a little big fibroid around the 7 into 7 centimeter, and the consistency is little cystic. It will be difficult for maceration. Now you can see the space. So now we have separated the bladder and it is down. So what you can see is a catheter, urinary catheter, which I am pushing it inside so that you can see the bladder margin clearly. So bladder is safe, it is totally down. That is the capsule. I am holding the capsule, pulling the capsule. That is actually the bladder. Okay, see, that is the bladder margin. So bladder is totally safe. Thank you.